Alright, so for part 3, given that the angle between A and B is phi radians, show that A dot B is minus mod A squared cosine 2 theta. Okay, great. So how to do? Now, first thing first, we try and understand how to decide what is this phi here. Like, okay, we even use dot product. When you use your dot product and you use this angle here, you should A dot, okay, the first thing you must establish is when you want to use dot product, this should be mod A minus B cosine phi. Any issue there? When you take these two vectors, dot it, right? The angle here should be the angle between the two vectors, whatever vector it may be lah. Okay, so this is the equation. This looks damn annoying, right? This is annoying like heck. Like, what's going on, man? Life is tough. This one is tough. So we are told to show A dot B lah. Of course, we don't want. I don't think we need A dot A minus B. But what I'm saying, if you want to use phi for the dot product, it should be this. This should be the correct one. But I don't think you should do this. So what should you do? You should draw out your triangle. Okay. Don't think so much, one. Just draw it out. So A is what? A is OA, right? Correct. Then A minus B is what? A minus B is BA. Right? BA. BA is A minus B, ma. Correct? So phi is what? Phi is the angle between BA. So if you were to think about it, draw it out. Draw the triangle out. Don't think so much, man. Just draw it out first. Like, always draw, okay? Draw. You don't understand what's going on. If you don't draw, you wouldn't know. So I'm going to just draw this out first. I'm going to draw this out. So this is O. This is A. Then this is B. So B to A and O to A. This here and this. If I use angle between OA and B to A. Okay. This is OA. This is BA here. OA, BA here. The angle between them is phi. So this is phi lor. If this is phi, this is phi also. BA ma, BA this direction, this is OA. Then A to B. Okay, so this is A, right? So this case here, this is A. Then this is B. Alright? Okay, great. So what to do next? What you do is, once you do the drawing already, the next thing is try and solve it geometrically, because you see this mod A equals mod B here. This is a goal, man. This is a goal mine, because if I draw this triangle out, mod A equals mod B, instantaneously I know this is a isosceles triangle. Because the length are the same. The length are the same, since a triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle. Since mod A equals to mod B. Shook. This is damn shook. This one would make life so much easier for us. Life is good. We can yeah. This is phi, then we straight away can deduce our very pro one from secondary school. We know this is phi. Of course, this is phi. Then this angle here, very strictly, is actually 2 pi minus 2 phi. Ah, rubbish. It's pi minus 2 phi. Okay, 180. Pi is 180 ma, so this angle is pi minus 2 phi. You get this already. You straight away can just do A dot B. So A dot B, when you use A dot B, I'm not sure. Okay, so hence angle AOB is pi minus 2 pi angle sum. Angle sum of triangle. Okay. So this case here, so this will give us A dot. When you use A dot B, you need to use the angle between A and B. So angle B and B is pi minus 2 phi. So this is mod A, mod B, cosine 2 pi minus 2 phi. Pi minus 2 phi. Okay. I think that's about it. We need this in mod A. And then we are very happy we got our cosine 2 phi. Wow, happy. This is good, man. This is so cosine pi minus 2 phi would be in the second quadrant. So you'll be, did they say pi? Oh, is it pi radian? Angle pi radian 2 pi. Yeah. So great. This will be negative 2 pi, cosine 2 pi. But if you do not know what is it, you can just use the formula. Okay. Anyway, mod A is equals to mod B, so this will be mod A square. Then this, if you're not too sure, if you've forgotten that this is this formula here, okay, you can use this formula to deduce. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm thinking in terms of quadrant 1, quadrant 2. That's why I know this is negative. But if you don't, you can just use cosine A minus B is equals to cosine A cosine B plus sine A sine B. Okay, you just use this formula. You still get the same, but it's just a lengthier process. This is 180 minus an angle. So 180 minus an angle, this is in quadrant 2. Okay, so whatever happens here, you change to the first quadrant, it will be negative. Okay, let's say if this is in quadrant 1, then this will be in quadrant 2. So that's why it's like that. So this is negative. But if you are not too sure, like I said, you can just use this formula here. So cosine pi minus 2 phi is equals to cosine pi cosine 2 phi plus sine pi sine 2 phi. This is negative cosine 2 phi plus 0. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Shown. Just like that.